I'm going to show you how you can integrate any print-on-demand services on Wix. So the easiest way you can integrate any print-on-demand apps is by going to the actual app market here. So for example, on the app market here, you can see you can search on apps. And for example, one of the most popular print-on-demand services is called Printify. So Printify, you can see there is an actual Wix app here, and this is the most easiest way you can integrate apps on print on demand into Wix because you actually add it to the site, right? So it's directly integrated into the Wix site. So if you're using any other print on demand services, try seeing if their apps exist on Wix on here because it's the most easiest way you can integrate it. But if it's not here, there is another workaround on how you can do it. You can use Zapier. So Zapier, the way it works is that, let's use this image for example. This is Wix, this is your print on demand, and this is the customer. Basically, when the customer buys from Wix, it'll sell or it'll send a request onto the print of demand, and then the print of demand will send a request back to Wix, and then the print on demand will then ship it onto the customer here. This is the easiest way you can integrate any print on demand services on Wix here, right? So if you want to use Zapier, you can use Zapier here, but I do recommend just installing an app from the Wix market here because it is the most easiest way. So again, you can just search up Printify like this. So for example, Printify, and then on Printify, just download it or install it onto your app, onto your website, and then that's it. You can actually just integrate it like that. No need for code, no need for any hard setup. You can just integrate it straight into the site from the Wix market itself.